Hello students, welcome back in EVS class. We are doing chapter 10, safety first. Today we will do always remember. We should always follow traffic signs to avoid accidents. In case of an accident, we should not panic. We should immediately inform our elders. Yes students, accidents could happen anywhere. So what should we do? First of all, we should follow the traffic signs so that we can avoid the accidents. But in case there is accident, then we should not get panic means we should not get confused. If accident happen, then immediately you should inform your elders. If you are in school, then inform your teachers. If you are at home, inform your parents, etc. Now some of the safety rules are there which we should follow at home. First, never play with matchsticks. Yes, matchsticks, but it is very dangerous thing. So never use the matchstick. Never play with things like microwave, iron heater, etc. Yes, microwave, iron heater, these are the electrical appliances. You may get shock from these appliances, so avoid it. Do not insert any object into electric points. Yes, electric points also, they may get shock to you, so don't put your fingers inside the electric sockets. And do not leave your toys on the floor. While playing, some of the children, they are leaving their toys on the floor. If your elders, they are passing from that area, they may get slip and they may get hurt. So avoid it. Never play with sharp objects like scissors, blades or knives. Yes, these are the sharp objects, scissors, blades or knife. If your fingers will cut, then you will lose if your fingers will cut, you will lose too much blood. So avoid it. Avoid using the sharp objects. Next is first aid box. But a first aid box you all can keep at home or in school also. This is an emergency. Some medicines are kept in a special box. This is one special box. In this box we are keeping some of the medicines which are required, like Band-Aid, Dettol, cotton, betadine and paracetamol, etc. And this box is called a first aid box. On it there is one red cross and first aid will be written. This is first aid box. So you should know this, that Band-Aid was invented in 1920 by Arthur Dixon. Okay. And being wise, what is written here, that do not take any medicine on your own. Yes, don't take medicine without permission of the doctor. Okay, otherwise you may get the infection from any medicine. Avoid using the medicine without permission of doctor. Yes children, we read here that safety rules help us to be safe and follow safety rules in school, at home and on road. And traffic signs give important information to road users. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Now you will go through it and read it. Okay children, take care of yourself.